Jake posted bail. Oh, hey, Cruz, get on the ground. Get on the ground, Cruz.
Combat log.
Get on the ground. Put your hands up. Come on.
You can get on the ground.
Get on the ground, Cruz. Get on the ground. You're gonna get shot if you don't get on the ground. 3, 2, 1. That's what they get.
How much money you got?
I want that money. I don't know. You take it.
17,000.
Whoa! Bank it! Bank it! Run, motherfucker, run! I'm ready to die, he said.
Well, he died.
Cops are coming.
I'm staying. I don't give a shit. Fake, dude.
I just did too.
Oh, I can't sing yet. Hey,
Oh, okay. I killed him, dude. It said I killed him. Yeah. Oh, shit.
Here really quick. Let's hide in here really
Oh, we got 10 minutes, man. We gotta go do some shit.
quick. Yeah, I gotta reload though.
Oh, okay.
I had 2 bullets left. Alright.
Alright, let's do this.
The gun build though?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Anyway, okay, so should we just keep robbing people or should we start causing problems? Oh, shit!
Hey, let's go see if there's money there.
Yeah, seriously, let's go.
I'm glad we hit the jackpot, man.
I know. What's going on? Oh shit, who's this guy? Rob him, rob him. Hey, get on the ground. Get on the ground.
It's me.
Oh, damn you.
Don't forget.
I don't give a fuck. No, I'm just kidding. I know.
The
I don't have my
explosion was
knife.
right here. Here it is.
Oh, it's gone now.
20 lockpicks.
Oh, that works.
I got 10. Dude, I'd be happy if we can keep doing that we get like that, you know?
Right. Alright, dude.
Sell before we leave.
There you go. I just don't want to go shoot a cop. In all honesty. Or rob a cop. Ooh, that was an Ifrit. Oh shit, dude. That was an Ifrit.
Whoa.
Oh, whoa. What's going on?
I don't know, I just hear taser. That's weird. Oh, Death, you got match.
Oh, let's get him. Let's get him. Is there a cop up here? Oh shit. Where are those handcuffs?
He was over here.
You see the cop?
No, I don't see him yet. He was on TS.
Oh, we should totally ambush this shit.
Whoa. Oh shit.
Guys, there's a lot of stuff going on in the middle of the road.
I see that.
I'm going back.
Oh, dude, come on. We should ambush this. 5 minutes.
No, hold on, hold on. Oh! Oh, I thought the cop ran him over.
Slow down, sir.
Slow down so he doesn't run.
Jump inside that Honda.
There's 3 cops there. Hey, should we ambush?
No, there's 3.
So? There's 5 minutes left. Oh, like 4 now.
That was hilarious. Wait, was that Hunter not a cop hunter?
I don't know. Is this you?
It was me in the SUV.
Alright, hold on.
Die, coppers!
They don't know where it came from. Keep running, dude. They're going out the road now. Oh, they're gone. Watch out.
Tell me if they're coming up.
I'm watching. Are you at the stairs?
Yeah.
Alright. No.
Up on the roof now.
Yeah, they're around here though.
Where'd they go?
I don't know. They're behind. They ran behind. Oh shit, I got stuck on the wall. Oh my god, get out the wall. Oh shit. God.
Got one!
I see one.
That was internal rage. Where's the other cop at?
Yeah, look, right in my headlights, right behind that concrete wall.
Okay.
Someone else on the roof.
Get him! Get him! Get him! He's down. Coppers!
Dude, you actually sound like Satan.
It's the idea.
And nobody
Dude.
knows where anything is going on.
I know, I'm tearing these guys up right now.
Wait
What
a
gun
minute.
are you using?
ACP 45. Oh, I picked up a marijuana. The cop had marijuana on him.
Oh shit.
Oh, dude, bring him on, bring him on. Come on, let's just take him down.
There's a lot.
Get your gun out, Blade. Come on.
And look at the Ifrit. They're running from the Ifrit.
They're running from the Ifrit? Oh, shit. Get out of that vehicle, Gravy. Get out of that vehicle, Gravy.
Are you shooting them?
Fuck yeah. Oh, I hear a cop. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I think they're all down. Look, the Ifrit's left. I want to go here. I want to chase this thing.
What the fuck?
Fuck you, Gravy. Fuck you, Gravy. That's what you get, dude. Dude, Gravy just came at me with an assault rifle. I just capped him. That dude I killed earlier, he's like, oh, I'm gonna get you next round. I got him.
How much money is there?
I didn't take it. Oh shit, there's a lot of cops down there. Coppers!
Get down, 50.
45 seconds on restart. Oh man. Suicide charge!
Thinking now.
Die, coppers!
Is that you that ran in?
Die, coppers!
I ran it out.
Go down, copper!
I'm trying to find
Get messed up!
I'm in the house.
Damn it, I'm out of ammo. Oh, I got fiery taste. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Woo!